right, let's bounce it straight again. Should be a little bit lighter now, huh?
Yeah,
All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'm gonna do it one more time.
Okay.
A little small one. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, my bad. My
All right,
bad.
on three. 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. All right. Bring that.
I don't know how
Wait,
much-
did that really just pull out?
Yeah, it just pulls out. It wasn't even. Oh, Lord Jesus.
Oh, there's lots of rust, especially with the.
Ooh.
I know there's a
All
whole bunch of rust with the spare tire is. Okay, that ain't the best, but that's fine. Ooh, what is this? That is gross.
What is that?
That's wet.
What is it?
I think it's interior lining.
It is interior lining. Oh my God, dog.
Let's get this back seat out. Where are the bolts at for this?
Bro, this is not good.
No,
This
it's
is
fine.
not
We
good.
can take care of that.
All right. Let's see. I want to step in this and break the damn thing now.
No, you're fine. This is solid. That ain't very solid.
Not so much. All right.
All right.
So
Is there?
how does it fold down? I'm sure
We
it
need
folds.
light. You got. I think you got it. What's
I
that?
got a torch on my phone.
Oh, no, we got it right here.
All right.
Okay, no.
So this cabling. I don't know what that was for.
Let me go through the back and see what we got back
All
there.
right, do that. Open the boot, bro.
There's probably somebody watching this right now who has a 79 Civic, and they're like, bro, your bolts are right there.
Yeah, probably so. But you know, amateur hour, so
Amateur hour.
can't really. Oh, lovely. Okay. So
I think.
I'm glad they still made
Oh.
it simple back in the days with just a single handle to drop the back seat. That's nice, guys. Keep it up. God, what is all of that nonsense? Jesus.
Well, I'm cleaning out. Ooh, that's wet.
How is that? Okay, so here's the thing, right? Ever since I've gotten this car, it's been.
Ah!
Oh, do you cut
Keep
yourself?
going. Yeah, probably. It's just tetanus.
It's okay. Tetanus isn't a big deal. It's been in my garage the whole time, so no water has touched this car since I've had it. So what the is that?
Don't cuss, man. I gotta bleep that out.
Oh, my bad. What the beep is that?
This is a subframe of some sorts, guys. That's like a hook. See, you remember I was having trouble looking for a tow hook underneath it, and I had to
think that's
wrap
it.
around the. I think this is what went dead center under the car, but it's so rusted back here, y'all, where the
Mhm.
where the spare tire is. That might just falling out. All right,
That's not good. You want gloves?
no, I want to die happy.
Okay. Good. Oh my.
Okay, so hold on. Oh, wait. Just pick it up. Pick it. Pick.
Oh, it comes.
Maybe.
Wait, maybe we can move it back or something.
Like if you pick this. Does it need us?
hit pause real quick.
All right.
I guess I could have. I'm not sure where it goes though. There's a hole right there too. It's lovely. All right. So
How about this side
dude,
first?
this is so rancid, bro.
I know. We'll get all this stuff out and look at it. Try this side first.
Do I maybe perhaps need to pull on it like at an
No,
angle or
you see
something?
where the slot is.
Yeah.
So I'm wondering if
Maybe it needs to come down more like this. No. Does this need to pull out? Oh gosh, that's terrible. That's not good. I pulled on it and the plastic is so brittle it started cracking.
well, that's just a cover piece. The metal is actually underneath there. Hey, try this side. I don't have a good angle on it to get the leverage I need.
oh, I'm
You see what I'm talking about? With this slot going straight up.
Let's see.
Unless I wonder if. Hold on. All right,
It's like stuck in there though. Huh. All right. Let me see. This is this.
we need a torch.
Hold on. I got one. I'll use my cellular device.
Oh gosh.
Is it rusty crazy like down
Oh
there?
gosh.
Take it out.
No, we're gonna save this for last, y'all.
Oh my god, bro.
I'm gonna tell y'all right now.
It looks grody down there.
This might need a back half.
Really?
Yeah, we'll show you later.
Oh my god. I'm selling. Anyone want to buy this? Just kidding.
Does it not just slide out?
I thought it would. It kind of looks like
Maybe
it
it's
should.
just so crusty. Or wait, hold on. Rotate it up. Ah, now I'll pick it up. You gotta find. There's a sweet spot when you because I saw it. The barrel is flat on two sides, so you gotta find the sweet spot. See what I mean?
Yeah. Oh gosh, it cocked me in the nose.
Yeah.
Oh my word, this Civic packs a punch, bro. Jeez, that thing slammed me, dude.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I'm good. I might bleed a little bit tonight, but that's all good.
That happens.
That's crazy. All right, let's find the.
You got to It's probably gotta go straight up more.
So
Remember how you had it? This one was like, it was kind of up like that, around here somewhere. I can't see it, so it's like.
Whew. All right, let's see. Let's get back in.
Get more upright.
It's difficult to see because of the light. Like
I know. Just keep coming towards me. Right there. Now go. Come back towards me some. Right there.
All right, hang on.
I'm gonna laugh if that left side goes back in.
Oh man, that would be. The
There you go.
worst.
All right. You need me coming this side, or
No,
you
no,
got
no. Just grab it like right there.
right here?
All right.
All right. This thing is pretty rusted on the back.
It's not.
It
It's
might
not
need a new
great.
frame.
All right, I'm gonna come out real quick. I'm gonna step out. All right. Dude, the dust and the rust.
Pick up the flap. Yeah.
Not the best.
Rear seat delete.
Rear seat issues, bro.
All right. For real though, y'all gotta check this out. Can you come hold this open? All right. I don't know if y'all ready for this.
I'm not even ready for this.
Let's get rid of this nonsense. Here, you know what? Let's pull this out the way.
Throw it in the yard.
All
We'll
right.
throw it away later.
All right, y'all. So we know you got that rust right there, right? Oh my gosh.
You can see the floor.
You can see the floor. Let's just take this. Oh yeah. Which I already knew this is going to get cut out.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Get rid of that spider right there. All right. Do you think we have a rust problem?
Nah, we're good.
You think we're good? We think we did a little bit of Bondo and duct tape and we're good?
I think we're okay, bro.
No, but for real, y'all, I'm honestly not too worried about this. Unfortunately, it is dead center between the suspension links, but it's going to be all right. We're going to get this right. Do you want a back seat to stay in this car? I mean, because we can.
I mean, I don't ever see myself putting somebody in the back seat, to be honest with you. I mean, it depends. When we get to it, I think when we get to it, we'll decipher if it's really worth holding on to or not.
You know what? Yeah, and we'll save this conversation. We'll come back to this, y'all. This will be our sit down at the end of the video. I know this video is starting to run kind of long, but let's be honest. Like this ain't pretty.
Nope.
Especially for two amateurs who have never done body work or anything like that. It's not pretty. However, we're not discouraged. I've already been thinking at the house what I want to do with this. So we'll come back to this. We'll discuss this in a moment. Let's get cracking away some more, man. Let's try and get these plastic panels off.
Yep.
Looks like a Phillips head screwdriver.
Yep. All right. Well, here we go. We're gonna see how we can try to get this off.
Oh, those plastic screws. Here.
No, these are.
I'll get the back side so that you don't have to stretch for them.
Alrighty, let me set you out real quick. You want it?
Yeah, I got you. This hatch needs to come off.
Yeah, it really does. It's not doing so good. Also, we need to get rid of our little friends' webs and all that stuff. There you go, right there. Oh, okay. Get the back lights off and everything.
Oh, there's one right there. Right there. We got a flathead right here.
Oh, this is going to be rough. Because this is such a rusted area now. So, do you want to just work on this?
What, taking the hatch off?
Hold this real quick. Let's see. Let's just get this side off real fast.
Yeah. There's a flathead screwdriver, right? Or a flathead screw right there.
But that one's... Yeah, I guess it is kind of linked. Oh, let's see.
You're going to have to come up over that.
If the... let's put it this way.
The camera's right behind you, too.
Yeah. So I'm going to get that flathead real quick. And I'll be right back. There. Okay, whatever that was. I have no idea what that was. Something just fell
All right, that's
off.
not bad. It's not bad at all.
What was this? It came flying off and I pulled it.
Was it up here maybe?
Maybe.
All right, y'all. This is very promising. This is only one side.
Yeah, this is good.
This is only one side. Is that a rat's nest?
Dude, I hope
No,
not.
I think it's just
visual. Gosh.
Structurally, all like your shock towers, not a speck of rust. So that's good. It's mostly the floor pan, and and the old hot rod guys, they replace that kind of stuff all the time. So that ain't nothing new. This does seem to be a little bit structural, but we can fix that. So that's one side. Let's get this other side.
Some good
off.
quality welding. Do you have the bolts for that?
There's no. Yeah, I got them over here.
All right, I don't need them
Here.
right now, I guess.
Well, they are gonna be in the way because when we pop this off, here you go.
This real quick. I'll go put them in the bag so long.
Wait, there's no screws on this one.
What? Really?
Nope, there's no screws on this one.
Well, at least we have something to take to Home Depot in regards to what we need.
Yeah.
What would I even label these as?
Dang, that came off super easy.
What would I label these as?
Perfect.
I guess trim, back trim.
Interior rear quarter panels.
Hey, maybe if we can see on the other side where that clip came off.
Might help if I get that one screw off.
What is it?
I got this one screw right here.
Oh, I keep standing on stuff. Not the best.
There you go.
So that was for the same thing, right?
Yeah.
Is this camera even showing towards you?
I don't know. I got it on 0.5, so maybe. It's also dark in here, so it's really hard to,
that looks a lot
for me to see what I'm doing. Oh, that's a lot easier when you take the screws out. All right, so we got that. So now all that's left is interior-wise is these panels.
Oh, this is for the back taillights. I mean.
See, all right, y'all, this is what I love about old cars. This is the actual interior. Like that was meant to be exposed. And I know that's just cool, man.
That is kind of nice, yeah.
I got the top.
Okay. Thank you, kind sir. Got it.
You got the top.
Switch.
I got it. You got it. We all got it.
Oh. How that opens so much easier now. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put this in my pocket.
You ready?
Yes, sir. And also, if you notice the screws, you can tell someone who painted this,
yeah,
did an awful job because the screws are all painted too. There goes. Right there. Oh, okay.
Well, here I'll hold it now. You do it.
All right, got it. I'm gonna put give me the screws. I'll put them in my pocket. I got the rest in my pocket too, so kind of keep them all in one spot. All right, now you gotta hold it, right?
I got it.
All right,
I got it. Watch it not come out.
Hey, listen, Linda. They don't call me James Houdini for nothing. All right, where else? Oh, I'm kicking the trim over. All right, where else?
Hold on, we got this wire that got connected. I don't know where it.
Maybe unconnected over here. So, well,
no.
What a way. Oh, well, no, that wouldn't make sense.
Dang, it's behind the damn interior. Y'all, we didn't think this through very well.
Cut it. Are we gonna rewire it anyways?
Yeah, but what's it powering up?
I don't know.
Oh, your defroster.
Okay, well, what if we
can cut that and wire it back together later.
What if we pull this? What is this thing supposed to be?
That's your defroster. That's your defroster right there.
Right. Can you pull it out though? Is it just, or is it?
It's probably soldered in there.
So yeah, that's what I was wondering. Okay, so what about this guy though? Can we pull him off?
Yeah.
I don't know how this is connected. Is it kind of clipped or?
Yeah, it's clipped.
It's also kind of glued. Well, this clip.
It's got
so he has a clip right here that's kind of like a fish hook looking kind of clip.
Yeah.
And right there too. So I'm wondering if we just pull these now.
I'm already pulling it, so.
I don't know if we're gonna break the clip or not, but whatever.
We're probably gonna break something.
More than likely. That worked. So this is just cardboard looking stuff. Man, I'll tell you what, they didn't build them extremely expensive back in the days. All right, so what the heck is
Yo, this paint is literally brushed on. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
So what was the point of doing that?
I thought we could maybe try to get to the wire.
No.
But whatever, never mind then. We'll have to take it off anyways because I kind of want to have that redone. And what is all behind? So the wire would be behind all this, right?
Yeah, this is what they use for like a
sealant.
Not, I mean, yeah, but it's like keep your moisture out.
Well, we're just going to cut the wire then. We can cut it and then just come back and rerun a wire or something at some other point.
Yep. There we go.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
If I shock, tell my mama love her. I'm not going to shock. I know that.
Yeah, this is not how you do it.
No, definitely don't do this. Like,
but we already had plans of rewiring this car anyway.
So, yeah. Got it?
Yeah, maybe.
You want me to grab one side?
Yeah, we got to figure out how to get this out of there. Here, bring it down. Bring it.
Don't cut yourself.
Bring it down.
All right.
And then we're going to try to... I don't know how this works.
Okay, well, hold on real quick.
I don't want to break anything.
I don't want to either. Let's see. All right, so...
What if we shut it? Can we pull it out that way?
Try shut it? Keep going.
Let drop.
No, don't let it just drop. You want me to get a screwdriver and see if I can't just kind of like pull it out?
Yeah, I mean...
This side looks like it's coming out a lot more than your side is. There it goes. All right. I'll drop this on the floor.
It's not even... There we go.
Oh, there it goes. Okay. Oi, nice.
You got it?
Yep, I got it.
Watch out for the rust.
Try my best. I got safety boots on, so I just rest it on my shoe if I need to. All right. Ugh. Now you watch out. You cut your hands on that, bro. That would be bad news for all of us. As I say that, watch me cut my hands on it.
Dude, this is so bad.
Yeah, give it to me. I'm gonna chuck it away.
My bad. Here.
Oh boy.
I mean, that gotta get replaced anyway.
I'm gonna bring the bin around this way, so we can just toss out what we don't need as we go along.
All right, this is what we're working with. It's not terrible. It needs to get cleaned up. A little bit more light in here now, so y'all can see this rust a lot better. Again, I know it looks terrible because it is terrible, but we're just gonna cut all that out and we're just gonna re-sheet metal that. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. We say that, of course, we've never done it before, so
it's going to be a huge deal, but we'll get it done.
Yeah, y'all. Excuse me. There's no time. Got rust in my face. There's no timeline for this. You know, we all say, "Oh, we'll have it done in a year." Maybe it is a year. Maybe it's 2 years. Listen, like I said, James and I are both full-time husbands, fathers, and we got full-time jobs. This is like a 1 day a weekend, maybe 2 days on certain weekends. So we're just going to get it done as we can get it done.
If you have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for sticking with us. We hope you enjoyed part 2. Again, this video had to be cut into 3 parts since we have so much footage. The final part will be us just sitting down enjoying the seats we took out and just chatting about what is to come. Again, thank you all so much for watching. It means the world to James and myself. Please hit that like button, comment below, share with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe.